Now we are going to discuss an entirely new topic, which is distinction between administrative functions. Ladies and gentlemen, before we begin with the topic, it is of utmost importance to first go through the three organs of state. There are basically three organs of state. First organ is legislature, second organ is executive, and third organ is judiciary. Legislature enacts laws, और जो एग्जेक्टिव है वो जो लॉज बने हुए होते हैं उसके ऊपर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करवाती है, और जुडिशरी जो है इसका काम ये है कि अगर लॉज से मुतल्लिका कोई इशू खड़ा हो जाए तो उसको रिजॉल्व करती है, और जहां जरूरत पेश आए वहां पर उसकी इंटरप्रिटेशन भी करती है. रिलेशनशिप जो एग्जिस्ट करता है बिटवीन द थ्री ऑर्गन्स ऑफ स्टेट, उसको हम कुछ इस तरह से बयान कर सकते हैं रेफरेंस देकर वेड एंड फिलिप्स का. The enactment of a law authorizing a new tax is a legislative function. The provision of machinery assessing and collecting the tax payable by each taxpayer is an administrative or executive function. The determination of dispute between the taxpayer and the tax collector as to tax due in a particular case is a judicial function. Involving the interpretation of law and its application to the facts of the case, so too in the field of criminal law, the creation of new offense is a matter of legislation, the enforcement of law is an executive function, and trial of alleged offender is a judicial function, ladies and gentlemen. In a case, it was held that it cannot be assumed that the legislative functions are exclusively performed by the legislature, executive functions by the executive, and judicial functions by the judiciary. My dear students, in Halsbury's Law of England it is stated that howsoever the term the executive or the administration is employed, there is no implication that the functions of the executive are confined exclusively to those of an executive. My dear students, today the executive performs different functions. For example, it investigates, prosecutes, prepare and to adopt schemes, to issue and cancel licenses, to adjudicate on disputes and impose fine, etc.